Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we will learn how a shopkeeper will give a discount to the user. So, so today, this is the problem. So a shop will give a discount of 10% on the total cost. On the total cost. On the total cost. And so if the cost of the quantity purchased is more than 10%, so which means so shopkeeper will give 10% discount on the purchases which is more than 1,000. Like if the cost is more than 1,000, then the user will get 10% discount. So these are the instructions we have to follow while writing the code. So first of all, we have to import java.util.star. So scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. So first we have to take the user, like ask user for the number of units. So first we have to take units. Int units is equal to sc dot next int. So what is the second point? So suppose 1 unit will cost 100. So we have to multiply 100 into units. So what I did it. So what I did is like so we have to take units from the user. So the cost is 100 into units. Like so 1 unit will cost 100. So how many units we will take? So that many times the 100 will be multiplied with the units. So if cost, like in this our third point, judge and print a total cost for the user in the integer format. So yes, okay. So if the cost is, so we are writing this code, like we are following this statement. So if the cost is greater than 1,000, so if the cost is greater than 1,000, so we have to take discount equal to, so we have to take discount on total cost. So this is our total cost. So the total cost is, like we have to take 10% on the total cost. So we have to write 10 into cost. So in the cost variable, we have stored the total units, like so the total cost. So that's why you're using cost as a variable, and we have to divide it by 100. So this will calculate the 10%. So 10 into cost by 100. So the next thing is, so like what they have told. So if the cost is greater than 1,000, so we have to give the 10% discount. So we have to take, like we have to take, like we have to minus a discount from the total cost. I hope you understand. Like we have to delete some units from the cost. So this is our discount. Like as the problem told, if the cost is greater than 1,000, so we have to take simple discount. So what is the discount? 10%. So if the cost is greater than 1,000, we have to give the 10% to the user. Like 10% discount to the user. So that's like we have to eliminate, like cost is equal to cost minus discount. So if the cost is greater than 1,000, so we are just minus, like we are like subtracting discount from the total cost. So this is our total cost. So we are just subtracting the discount from the total cost. So let us print the cost. So here we are following option like option C. So judge and print total cost for the user in the integer format. So in the integer format, we are printing it. Okay, I hope the code is good. And semicolon. Okay, let us run this program. So we got an error. So print ln. So let us give 10. So from the user, we have given 10 units. So what's the total cost? So 10 into 100, 1000. So 1000 is greater than 1000, like the total cost is greater than 1000? No. So the discount will not be applied. The total cost will be 1000 only. I hope you understand. So once again, I will repeat. So we have given 10 units. So the cost is 10 into 100. So each unit multiply with 100. So we got 1000. So 1000 is like if the cost is greater than only, like if the cost is greater than 1000 only, we have to give discount, or otherwise we should not give discount. So let us run the program again. So in this case, we will take 11. So 11 into 100, 1100. So which is greater than 1000. So this statement will be executed, like this discount will be applied on the total cost. So the 10% discount should be applied. Okay, 11, enter. See, the 10% discount is applied on the total cost. I hope you understand. Like so if not, if if the discount is not applied, so our answer should be 1100. So in this case, the discount is applied. So that's why our answer is 990. I hope you understand. So that's all, friends. If you like this video, please like it. And if you want to subscribe it, subscribe it. And if you want to share it. And press the bell icon. So whenever I post in the YouTube, I will get my videos. Thank you, friends.